Techwood Indoor Smokeless Grill is a versatile 1500W electric barbecue grill designed for indoor use, providing a smokeless grilling experience. It features non-stick grill plates that ensure easy food release and cleaning. The adjustable temperature control allows precise cooking, accommodating a variety of recipes. The removable drip tray collects excess fat and juices, promoting healthier meals and simplifying cleanup. A tempered glass lid helps retain heat and moisture, ensuring evenly cooked and flavorful results. The stylish red design adds a modern touch to any kitchen, ideal for grilling steaks, veggies, and more year-round. Weber Lumen Compact Outdoor Electric Barbecue Grill in black is a versatile and portable grilling solution ideal for small spaces like patios, balconies, and decks. It features a sleek design and compact size, making it easy to transport and store. Despite its small footprint, the grill offers ample cooking space and powerful performance, reaching high temperatures quickly for searing and grilling. The electric power source ensures convenience and ease of use, while the durable construction guarantees long-lasting quality. Perfect for urban dwellers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Cuisinart GR5 BP1 Electric Griddler 5 is a versatile kitchen appliance offering 5 cooking functions: contact grill, panini press, full griddle, and half grill, half griddle. It features a user-friendly LCD display for easy control and a wide temperature range to suit various cooking needs. The sear function allows for perfect browning and crisping, enhancing flavor and texture. Constructed with durable stainless steel, the Griddler 5 is designed for long-lasting performance. Removable, dishwasher-safe non-stick cooking plates ensure easy cleanup.